Thinking about grabbing high-end fragrance dupes from Dupe Scents, the prices look tempting, but are you getting a great deal or setting yourself up for a scam? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Dupe Scents sells affordable alternatives to luxury fragrances, and their website looks professional. On Trustpilot, they have a 3.2-star rating from over 140 reviews, so the feedback is clearly mixed. Some customers are thrilled, saying the scent smells just like the originals and are worth the price. Others, however, call it a flat-out scam, claiming their orders never shipped, tracking numbers went nowhere, and customer service was either unresponsive or misleading. Reddit reflects a similar split. One user said the perfume smelled amazing and were worth a wait. Another said their order showed as shipped for weeks but never actually left the warehouse, and support ghosted them. So, is Deep Sense legit or a scam? It's a risky bet. Some people get what they paid for and love it. Others are still waiting or worse, feel completely scammed. If you're okay with possibly waiting a long time or never getting your order, you might give it a shot. But if you want peace of mind, this might not be the store for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.